Welcome to the AI Comparer, the channel where we use the latest in artificial intelligence technology to compare and contrast everything from products to animals and humans. Today we're going to be asking AI how it is revolutionizing the retail industry. Retail is one of the most competitive industries out there, and companies are constantly looking for new ways to gain an edge over their competitors. One of the ways they're doing this is by incorporating AI into their operations. One of the most important ways AI is revolutionizing retail is through its ability to provide personalized customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can understand customer requests and respond in natural language, making the shopping experience more seamless and efficient. AI is also revolutionizing retail by improving inventory management. AI-powered systems can track sales data and predict future demand, allowing retailers to optimize their inventory levels and reduce waste. AI is being used in retail to improve marketing efforts as well. By analyzing customer data, AI-powered systems can help retailers create more targeted marketing campaigns, resulting in increased sales. AI is also being used in retail to improve the online shopping experience. AI-powered visual search allows customers to take a picture of an item and find similar items for purchase, making the shopping experience more convenient and efficient. As we can see, AI is revolutionizing the retail industry in a variety of ways. From AI-powered customer service to AI-powered visual search, retailers are using AI to create a more personalized shopping experience for their customers and streamline their operations. So what do you think about AI? Will this be just the beginning? If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos on AI technology. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you want to see next.